I don't need much of your time, maybe 90 seconds, 2 minutes at the most. It's Len Hume from the Niagara region in Ontario, Canada, and myself and some friends of mine who run cleaning companies across North America have got together to provide some timely information and suggestions as you work to keep your home clean and sanitized, possibly your business during this time of COVID-19 and the lockdown. My topic today is how do you choose a company when it comes time to bring someone into your home? And we all know that you need to know, like, and trust the people that you have around you. So how do you do that? So if you don't have experience with a cleaning company professional already, ask your friends, ask your family, check out their social media, find out if they have reviews online or in some other format. How long have they been in business? Are they involved in your community? These are important questions because there will be unscrupulous companies start up and offer cleaning and sanitizing services when they don't really know what they're doing. You need and deserve a company that has your interest at heart, is interested in providing value and reliable service. Also, always look to see that the company has industry certification, most usually IICRC, which is the education and certification body most important to our industry. So in closing, be careful who you talk to, make sure you have some history on them, make good decisions, and take care.